Traumatic injury is the number one cause of death for people younger than 45 years old. In the US, the burden of injury costs the American economy about $4 trillion a year when you factor in not just property loss or medical care for the acute injuries, but also long-term care for people who require ongoing care well after their hospitalization, and then other costs include years of life lost or years of work life lost, where people can no longer work, or people can no longer work at their previous level of employment due to disability brought about by their traumatic injury. Given that, and or despite that, the National Institute of Health has no institutional entity directed at funding research in traumatic injury. The overarching goal of this part of the TRC4 award is what happens to our patients before they reach the level 1 or 2 trauma centers, and how can we, how does that influence their outcome, and how can we improve it? Where are areas of improvement? We can look at the amount of money that the TRC4 is providing, but the other thing that it's providing is collaboration. That's in the name. With that, now I'm in touch and routine communication with investigators all over the state working together. And I think the money does bring us together for sure, but it also, has created the opportunity for such collaboration. Certainly we can do one-off projects here and there and do multi-institutional projects, but that we all, meet around a table every month, and that we, we've had a conference in February, and that was remarkable. It was the first time all the UT system trauma centers have ever got together and presented our capabilities and talked about what we're doing from a research perspective. And it's 2024, for crying out loud. I mean, how long overdue is that? In modern society, and traumatic injury is a complex group of diseases. This is a singular type of disease process. It's not a singular pathology. It's multifaceted, and the contributors to the occurrence of trauma and the contributors to the outcomes of traumatic injury are myriad. And to improve our, remember that the statistics I was quoting at the beginning of this interview were lumping all traumatic injury into one entity, but it's really a myriad of entities together. And to be able to address that with any force, it takes a multidisciplinary array of researchers working together, and the TRC4 is accomplishing that handily.